In this video, we are going to learn how to spruce up your Google Slides projects. We're going to take images that you have taken, we're going to change the background, we're going to take those people and put them in all sorts of different locations, and you can add whatever you want to it. Let's look at our first example. This picture here was taken actually on the day of our 25th anniversary. The students were marching through the hall, and these two amazing teachers were very excited to see them all. I took that same image, I changed the background, I added a story, and we went from two teachers standing in the hallway to having two teachers who just completed hiking the Appalachian Trails, going through all of the states that you see listed there. It's quite an accomplishment for these very athletic and vibrant educators. So how did we go about and do this? How can I take this educator here, put her in a movie theater, and have her movie up on the big screen? I went to a site that was called remove.bg, and I clicked on upload, and I uploaded this picture. I went to the site right here called remove.bg. Once I'm here, there is no login that I have to do. I go to upload image, and then I'm going to select the image that I want to upload. Pull my image in. It's going to upload it, and what we're going to see is the original image right here, and the image right here where this program has removed all of the background from it. Now, for the Google slide that I have created over here, the only thing I did in remove.bg was I clicked download. I removed the background, it downloaded it, and then when I was in Google Slide, I went to insert, and then I uploaded. I went to the web, and I searched for images that I can add. For the movie theater background, I typed in movie theater, and this is the image that I chose. And you'll see that this bag has got no white background to take away. So I typed in black bag with no background, and it gave up any image that had any of those search terms, which is why my image is green. From here, I inserted a text box. I gave the movie a name, and this is where this teacher is going to be. But let's say that I want it to be in a specific place. So if I click on edit, then what it does is it places this teacher in all of these locations. I can put her in the middle of a city. I could put her in the middle of some artwork. I can put her at an amusement park, and I could add these images. Once I find the one that I like, I click on download, I download the image again, and now I'm free to do whatever I want with this image. So what can I do with it? Well, I could take an image, and I can put another educator at NASA. I could take another person and say this is a project I have when I was learning vocabulary terms. I can have insert a speech bubble. I can insert a speech bubble where I take a vocabulary term that I'm working on and I define what the word is. I find an image that will give me an example, and then not only that, but I add the names of the rivers that will show me the example. But what happens when the image that I want does not delete everything in the image? I'm going to come back to remove.bg, and I'm going to upload this image. So I'm going to come back to upload. I am then going to locate the image, and when I upload it, it is not going to get rid of everything that's on the background. I'm going to need to edit. So I click on edit, and we were looking only at the backgrounds, but if I come over to the restore, this right here is going to be my eraser. I'm going to hold down my left button, and I'm going to erase part of the image that I don't want. I will continue to do this until all of my background is gone. When I'm happy with the way it looks, I am then going to come back to background, and now I can select a different background that I want. I can choose where I want this person to be, or if I really just want to download the image as we did with the first teacher, I will keep clicking on this back arrow until I only have the image. These black and white squares will not show up in your Google Slides. When I downloaded this image, and we go back to the Pittsburgh picture, you can see that the only thing that you will see is the person's head. There are many uses for remove.bg. I hope you find them useful and have your students creating amazing projects.